Hi guys, welcome to new another interesting and amazing video. This video is going to be very beneficial and very useful for you because in this video we are teach you the back grab like a master lock style defense technique. If anyone grab you like this position, then what should you do? He will use his full strength and I will apply this technique. So let's start the technique. So if anyone grab you tightly from the back like a master lock, then you can see I can't move my body if he use his full strength. Here I will play a trick. First I will move my body to the right so that his grip slightly loose. Then I will move my body to the other side and keep my left back side in this position. You can see his balance is going to out. Now here I will throw him down. Due to fall down, his grip slips from your body easily. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. When he lock you, step number 1, move your body right side, then speedily you move body other side and keep your leg back and throw him down like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique real how it works or not. So let's start. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then please subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.